A test drive at Tipton Ford happens in two parts. First, a salesperson will drive while the customer rides shotgun. Then we'll switch seats. Let's lay out the route, then jump in the car to learn the why behind this dual process. We begin every test drive at the back of the dealership by taking a left onto Pearl Street. From there, it's a right onto Power Street, another right at the three-way stop, and then a turnaround at the ballpark on Old Tyler Road. With that route, you'll get to feel the car's suspension over train tracks, experience a faster speed, and get plenty of chances to turn the wheel. Now, it may seem odd to ride in the passenger seat when you're the one purchasing the vehicle, but this part of the drive is actually the most important. From that seat, you have full access to the vehicle's features and enough time to truly take in its condition. The last part is especially important when buying a used car. Pre-owned vehicles live a lot of life before landing on our lot, so they're likely to have some wear and tear here and there. We inspect every vehicle and we'll let you know what we find. But we also want to give you the opportunity to check it over firsthand. That way, if you spot something, we can make the situation right before you spend your hard-earned cash. By the time we make it to the ballpark, you should have a good feel of the vehicle and its features. Now you'll just need to drive it. The route back to Tipton is your chance to feel what it's like behind the wheel. After that, it's just a matter of addressing anything you found during the test drive, negotiating your best deal, and signing the dotted line. So stop by Tipton today and take that vehicle you've been eyeing for a spin. And be sure to follow us on social for more Tipton tips on how you can spend less and drive more.